The first is to take the pipe, plug it into this side here, this hole, just push it in, and then you can put the machine on. Once it powers on, it will go into an auto clean mode. Now the machine is ready for use. This is the water tank container. This is a removable container, but we recommend that you leave it here and fill the water directly here. This is the coffee bean container where you fill the coffee beans. This is the grinder setting, which we recommend leave it at factory set. The beans are to be put here. This is the bypass doser, in which you have to put ground coffee powder. The powder should not be instant coffee, it should be ground coffee powder from beans only if you want to use. Otherwise, this machine is bean to cup, it will grind the beans and make the coffee. This is the touch panel to choose the different types of coffee you want to choose. There is espresso, long coffee, you can take hot water, cappuccino, coffee latte, and milk or cream. And the machine is operated by this button which you push. When you push this, you have the options, different options. If you want to use powder instead of the beans, you turn this, you can go into the maintenance, you can do the beverage setting. When you do this setting, based on the cup size and the volume, every time you will get the same type of coffee whatever you have set. This is for the filter, water hardness. If water is hard in your city, then you can make the different changes. You can increase that or you can decrease it. This is for the eco setting, auto off, reset, and information. Information gives you the number of use, so you can see how many times and what drink the coffee has been dispensed. Now I will show you that to make espresso, once you have made the settings, all you need to do is just put the cup, press the espresso, and here you can online also make the changes whatever you want. Even the volumes you can change, you can increase or decrease however you want. An espresso shot is typically 45 ml. That's your espresso shot. The next is the long coffee. Long coffee is espresso shot with water. That is somebody who wants to have just black coffee, a cup of black coffee. That's your cup of black coffee. Next is the hot water. You can use hot water to make hot chocolate or tea or any other drinks, hot drinks which you want. You can choose, when you choose this, the hot water, it'll ask you what is the temperature you want, low, medium, normal or high. If you choose high, the temperature of this hot water is 90 degrees, which is perfect for a hot cup of tea. It will just dispense plain hot water for any hot drinks that you would like to have. And also the feature for every setting is, for example, if you choose the hot water, it is dispensing, and you wish to cancel anytime, you just press and it is cancelled. Next is for cappuccino. Cappuccino, you require a glass of milk or any container in which you put fresh milk. The pipe, you can just insert the pipe in that, and the machine will automatically pick up the milk, heat it, make it into hot milk or foam. Now for a good cup of cappuccino, we recommend that first you just flush the cup which you are using with a little bit of hot water so that the cup becomes very hot. And cappuccino is best had at drinking temperature, which is about 48 degrees centigrade. So you just press the cappuccino, press the middle button, decide whether you want strong, normal or mild. And it will start picking up and it will start dispensing. First it gives in a cappuccino, it is only cream and coffee. And there you have your perfect cup of cappuccino. Now while you are operating the machine, you may get this message. This means that you just need to pull out this tray and you just need to empty these grounds which are there, put it back, push the tray in, and the message comes to ready. So you are good for another cup of coffee. Next is latte. Now the next cup of coffee is coffee latte. Coffee latte is milk, cream and coffee. So first the machine will dispense hot milk. Then it will dispense the cream. And then the coffee. So you have your cafe latte. Now if you want to have a cup of hot tea, what you do is just take hot water, put the tea bag in it, and you can choose to take hot milk or hot cream, whatever is your choice. And there you have your cup of hot tea as you like it. Fresh hot tea with foam on the top. The similar way you can make hot chocolate, you can make hot soups, you can take hot water to make Maggi if you want, or whatever other hot drinks you may like. Show you how to make setting as per the cup size. So you keep this middle rotary button pressed for 3 seconds and you'll get a red LED light coming up. You turn it, go to beverage setting, press it again. Now you choose the beverage you want to set. So if I choose espresso, an espresso shot is typically 45 ml to 60 ml. You press again and you choose the strength of the coffee, what you want. You want normal, mild, you want normal, or you want strong. So you choose the strength, you choose the volume, whatever you want. It is typically 45 to 60 ml. I am choosing 45 here. Press and it is set. Now every time you dispense this drink you will get 45 ml. Again press it. We choose the beverage. Now if I choose cappuccino, based on this cup size of about 150 ml, I am making the setting. So I choose cappuccino. The strength of the coffee, the volume of the coffee, I want to keep it at 60 ml. The cream time I am keeping 10 seconds. So now when I choose, every time the cappuccino will be dispensed for this cup size what I made the setting. Similarly we can make settings for the other drinks like cafe latte. We choose it, the strength, whatever we want to put, the volume of the coffee for this particular cup size. We take the milk time and the cream time and set. And now so this setting is perfect for this cup. For a long life of the machine and the best coffee experience, you must always use filtered drinking water. You should not use tap water or any other mineral water. Here now I will show you how to do the basic maintenance of the machine, which one must run weekly for a periodic maintenance for long life of the machine. So we keep this rotary button pressed, we go to maintenance, and these are the settings. You have descaling, you have cleaning of the brew unit, you have rinsing of the milk unit, and you go back. So let us go first. What is the choice? When you want to descale, this program will run for at least 20 to 25 minutes. It's a long program. To run this program, you must run this program maximum once a month. You don't need to run it more. You just put in about, when you fill the water tank, put in about 100 ml of white vinegar, which we use in our kitchens, and run this descaling program. Descaling will remove all the whatever scaling has taken place due to usage of water. To clean the brew unit, this program to run takes about 10 to 15 minutes. It will clean the brew unit of all the oils that have been deposited due to the coffee beans, because every coffee bean has coffee oils in it. Over a period of use, this clean brew unit you must run once a week, and it is not necessary, even if you don't run it when the machine requires cleaning, it will ask you to run the program. So you don't have to worry, this is an automatic machine, it will ask you to do whatever it requires. You can just press this and you can run. Again, clean brew unit, you put in vinegar and you can run it. And when you want to physically rinse the milk unit, you can rinse the milk unit. What it does, when you use rinse milk unit, you have to press this rinse button. It will ask you to remove the milk pipe from the milk container, which you just put on the side, and you press the rinse button again. So it will start rinsing the milk unit from inside out. So first it will clean whatever is there in the milk pipe, and then it will start cleaning this pipe as well. So put the reverse water and it will clean the pipe, and your milk unit is cleaned. This is very important because milk can dry up and it can lead to hygiene issues. So one must always try to clean this. Though when you shut off the machine, this automatically goes into the machine, goes into a cleaning cycle, so you don't have to worry that you will forget. Only remember to switch off the machine from the power on off switch on the machine and not from the main plug. Always switch it off from here. Now there are times when the machine is operating and somebody pulls out the tray without allowing it to complete its process. What may happen is that you will not be able to push the tray back in. So don't be worried. All you need to do is open the tray, remove the waste container, push the tray back in, let the machine complete its process. Once it shows ready, pull the tray back out, put the waste container back, and everything is back to normal. You must always allow the machine to complete its process. Always wait for the ready sign to come on before you pull out the tray or switch off the machine. Now, depending on your usage, you may get this message empty tray. What this is saying is that the drip tray is full. So what you need to do is just remove this and empty the drip tray of water. It's a very simple thing. You just need to empty this. Put it back. Slide it in, and the message goes and you are good to go. Now there are times when you might want the milk to be hotter. Many customers say that they want extremely hot, though it is not the correct temperature. But in such a case, what you need to do is just restrict the flow of milk. And to do that, it's a very simple thing. You just take a clip, just clip it, and the flow of milk will be restricted, and you'll get milk which is hotter by at least another 5 to 7 degrees centigrade. So it's a very simple thing. You can just take a paper clip and put it. This is food grade silicone pipe. The pipe will not be harmed by this clip, so you can do this easily. Now you must always switch off the machine from the machine power button, which is just press it. The machine will go into auto clean mode, which will clean the coffee system. So whatever coffee you have dispensed, it will clean up the pipes from inside. Switch off the machine from the power switch on the machine. It will go into a auto clean mode, as you can see. So it will clean the coffee system first. Whatever is the residual coffee in the system, it will clean all the pipes. Once it has cleaned the pipes of the coffee, it will ask to rinse the milk unit. So you just remove, it will remind you to remove the milk pipe. You can just put it and then it will proceed to clean the milk system. So it is now rinsing the milk unit. And then it will rinse the milk pipe also. Pause kar. Once that is completed, the machine will switch off. These are the parts you will have to physically wash. This is dishwasher safe. So you just need to remove this. You can wash this pipe, and this is the milk unit, dispensing unit. It cannot be fit in any other way. This is again food grade silicone. Just fit it. You can remove it, wash it in water. Wash the tray and everything in water and keep it. It will remain clean.